everybody out there. We want to welcome you to the beginning of the 2014-2015 school year. I'm Jim Powers, the voice of the Saints, and a great night to get things kicked off here at Maryville University, the opening of LJ's here in the DUC, and joining me is Dr. Lombardi, the president, and what just unbelievable facility that was built here over the summer for the students.
Oh yeah, it's a great spot, and everything in this facility, LJ's and in Louis Cafe next door, were all the things the students told us they wanted. The furniture, the decor, the TVs, the sports, the games, everything, and all the food. They told us what they wanted. We built the menu around it, so this is designed for the students to enjoy. It's going to be a great spot to hang out during the day. It's going to be great at night. It's going to be open on Thursday, Friday, Saturday nights till 1 a.m. It's going to be a great spot before games, after games, tailgating, the whole bit. It's going to be fantastic. We're so excited.
Heck, during games actually too, because for students that may not be able to get into the game because of studying, they can come over here, and we're going to look into the possibility of streaming the games here on all the TVs.
Well, we're definitely going to be streaming our games over here, and so you get to come. If you're not going to the game or we're playing away, you come over here, you grab something to eat, and you listen to Jim Powers call a hell of a game where Maryville wins. That's what it's going to be about.
Absolutely. And once again, this is just something that has gone into a lot of planning, and really you just kind of look at the overall look right now of this side of campus by Simon here and also the Medical Arts building.
Well, absolutely. Walker Hall, the health profession building, is going to be finished in another month and a half, and the work we've done in the DUC, and more work's coming, and the work we're doing in Simon. We got a new floor in Simon, and I will be the first to tell you, the commissioner of the GLVC said that floor is going to intimidate everybody that comes in here. So we got a good start there, and we're going to put in a lot more work into Simon. So there's a lot happening all the time, and it's all designed for the students, their best academic experience, their best social experience, and a great athletic experience. So it's exciting. There's a ton of people here, great food, and we're just anxious to get this thing started.
Absolutely. Looking forward to getting the students on campus here in the next couple weeks. Dr. Lombardi, thank you so much, and as always, it's a great time to be a Saint, isn't it?
Absolutely. Thank you, and hallelujah to Saints Nation.
Absolutely. Dr. Lombardi joins us here at the opening of LJ's here in the DUC.